We have to repair this, and we're right now going to Radhabazar, and let's see how it goes. This shop, which is like full of antique clocks, and this is GM Das and Company, Radhabazar Street, and let's see what they say about our clocks. I have two pendulum clocks, and both of them were said that they are in repairable conditions, and I was charged 1400 rupees for both of them. One is Ansonia clock and another one is an Anglo-Swiss company watch. So let's see how it goes. Like he has said that he will take around 10 days for it. When Theatre Bazaar comes to your mind, only there's these Chinese shops, but we are right now in a beautiful church in Theatre Bazaar in the Chhatawala Gali. That's what the name of the location is, and I'll show you how the place is. The old statues which are well preserved here, and like this is the main place where they pray, and it's so beautifully decorated. I think this is where they pray, and you can see like all of the sculptures present here are very old, and this is the old Chinatown of Calcutta, which people don't know about. Visiting the church and then going to Radhabazar. We are right now in Tungnam, sorry, and like we'll have lunch over here. We had mixed fried rice, gravy style, and chicken fried rice. With that, we had on the side dish chili pork dry and garlic prawns. So you must try this. Among this, I think the chili pork dry was the best, and like the place makes up for the experience itself. So yeah, definitely come here.
বেশ ভালোই খেতে, অসাধারণ।
This was our vlog today. Like the food was good, but a little bit on the oilier side. But yeah, like it makes up for the experience, I guess. So yeah, definitely come to Theatre Bazaar.